Hello everyone, hi GoPro user. Okay, last clip I post for problem with GoPro um, GoPro 8 GoPro 8 freezing, freezing the video, but audio is still recording. I have problem like few months ago. I used this GoPro Hero 8 like 4 or 5 years ago. I don't have never have problem. Okay, never have problem. It one last few months I lost a lot of my clip that I take from fishing and from my hiking too. I messed up a lot of clip, and some clip cannot even play, and I think some problem with the battery, because I try format the SD card, I try reset to factory reset, I try to load to the phone, connect to the phone and update the software, everything. It doesn't work. You still have problem. And today I use this, my friend, this tripod with the battery. Okay, if you check online, I bought this from Amazon like $40-50 or something. See, it extends it out if you need the total. And I use all day today. See, check the battery. I use all day. The batteries, it have 3 dots. It still have 2 dots left. But I use like 3-4 hours. It's got kind of like warm, See, but I have to move the cover because I have to plug this power to it, and it works. So it's no problem. With no video, it's not freezing anything. You turn off and on, everything work. The screen is work. When the screen's off, after 1 minute, then you tap it, the screen's back on. Okay, that means it worked with the tripod. I think the battery is problem with the battery. So because the battery I got from online, it's similar, but it's not exactly GoPro. Some I order the GoPro battery, it still have problem. Still have problem with freezing the video. So I try this one. I use this one. It worked very well. I hope it keep working. That's all you need. This take long time too, the battery. You can use on GoPro, you can use on your phone, you can use on DJI, on this power. You can use everything. You can use and charge your phone if your phone run out of battery, or you can connect to your phone and use it like battery. Okay, my friend, I think this problem fix it. I'm not worried about the battery anymore. I don't need to charge battery to very often because the battery use only 15-20 minutes, 15 minutes, it's gone. You cannot record this GoPro like long period of time. If you record in 4 minutes, 5 minutes and more, it will get hot. When it get hot, it will set off by itself. It might be that problem. I have problem like that before. I think that it start to have the problem, the video freezing. Okay, and now I got this. I'm done. I'm happy with this. First time I thought I was gonna buy another one, another GoPro, new one, cost a lot of money. Now I don't have to. All right, thank you, my friend, thank you everybody. This GoPro fix it. Bye.